My name is Jason. I'm with Fabricating Solutions out of Twinsburg, Ohio. We're here in Wapakoneta with FlexCNC running their machines. We had a customer who had a part that basically was taking us all day, 2 guys minimum, to get 6 parts done. And that was for 1 building. They upped that order to 5 additional buildings. Neil from FlexCNC contacted us. It was the right machine for what we were doing. We went from, like I said, 6 parts in 1 day to almost 6 parts in an hour. Obviously the savings there is massive. We're excited to get their machine actually into our building. We're using theirs right now. The training has been awesome. They've been extremely helpful. They helped us design our risers. They set up our tools a lot better. And again, we cut that time down from originally 40 minutes down to about a 5-minute cut. It's pretty impressive. These guys have been awesome to work with. The atmosphere is great. One of the reasons we went with FlexCNC, they offer some of the biggest beds in the business. As a fabricating shop, this is expanding our capabilities dramatically. We don't even have the machine in our building yet, and we are already getting requests for quotes. We have the biggest laser in our area, the biggest press brakes, so it made sense to go with the biggest CNC machine we could get. The value was there, and again, the Ohio connection meant a lot for us. The fact it's a veteran-owned company and very veteran-friendly means a lot to us as well, and it's a big part of why we went with FlexCNC. Size does matter, and as you can see, the size of our parts, again, they fit perfectly. It's the right machine that we needed at the time. We're really excited to also have these machines on our showroom floor because we're going to have the biggest CNC machine bed in Northeast Ohio. We'll also be the #1 showroom for FlexCNC up in Twinsburg. Again, we can't wait to have these guys up visiting. Great group of guys to work with. It's been nothing but smooth sailing thus far, and we're very excited to get the machine up and running.